From Apple Valley News Now, First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Josh Colbreth.
Welcome back to Good Morning Northwest. You know, one of the biggest variables of our forecast for today is going to be the winds, as they could gust between 25 to 45 miles per hour. Some of the fastest wind gusts being in the Kittitas Valley. So we could have some spotty power outages, down limbs, difficult travel for high-profile vehicles. That's certainly going to be on the table. The peak time frame 10 this morning to 4 p.m. this afternoon, although after that the winds will still be pretty blustery. Now let's talk about some of the precip chances. For today, snow showers will be likely throughout the day for Interstate 90, but it'll be a wintry mix at times for I-84. The valleys will stay mostly dry, although we can't rule out brief periods of freezing rain during the morning. Rain chances will be a bit higher for the basin and much higher for the foothills, with the action likely peaking around midday. And then for tonight, snow showers will continue to be likely throughout the night for Snoqualmie Pass, but those chances will gradually go down for Cabbage Hill. Lower elevations will be mostly dry, minus a shower here or there. And then for Saturday, in reversal from Friday, snow chances will gradually go down for I-90, but will stay fairly steady for I-84. Lower elevations will be mostly dry, minus a small rain chance in the morning for the foothills. And then for tomorrow night, lower elevations will continue to be dry, and even the mountains will turn much drier. However, we can't rule out a few snow showers here or there for Snoqualmie Pass and Cabbage Hill. Now on to some of the snowfall totals that we could see over the next 48 hours. Probably just a trace to 4 inches for our Cascade passes, 2 to 6 inches for our Blue Mountain passes. So not that much in the grand scheme of things. In terms of liquid water for the storm system, less than 1/10 of an inch for the valleys and basin, 1/10 to 1/4 for the foothills, 1/4 to 1/2 for the blues, and up to 1 inch of liquid water up in the Cascades. We could have a sprinkler or two left over for Sunday, but we're going to be much drier as we head into next week. Also much colder, a little bit warmer this weekend, but look at this, we could struggle to make it out of the mid-30s in the Tri-Cities by the middle of next week. Here is a 7-day forecast for the Tri-Cities. Dry and colder by Sunday, even colder next week with lows down into the mid-20s. Then in Yakima, mostly sunny if the fog doesn't develop for Sunday, and highs stuck in the 30s for Monday and beyond. In Ellensburg, finally some calmer winds for Sunday, then cold and dry as we head into next week. And Hermiston, still dry and colder once again for Sunday, then lows dropping down into the 20s for each morning next week. And then for Walla Walla, maybe a leftover shower for Sunday, but mostly dry past Sunday. High stuck in the mid-30s next week. Pretty cold stuff.